ACL injuries are more common than you might think, affecting athletes and non-athletes alike. But did you know there's a unique, holistic approach to treating these injuries? Yes, we're talking about Ayurveda, a traditional Indian system of medicine which goes beyond merely addressing the symptoms. It delves deep into the root cause of these injuries to provide a comprehensive treatment plan. This ancient practice not only focuses on physical healing, but also emphasizes the importance of diet and lifestyle changes. Ayurveda also introduces us to potent herbal combinations specifically tailored for ACL injuries. Ayurveda offers a comprehensive treatment plan for ACL injuries, encompassing everything from diet to lifestyle changes, and even specific herbal combinations. So, what exactly is an ACL injury and how does Ayurveda approach its treatment? The anterior cruciate ligament, or ACL, is a key stabilizer in the knee joint. An ACL injury, often a result of sports-related incidents, can cause pain, swelling, and instability. Symptoms might include a popping sensation or the feeling of the knee giving way. Now, let's talk Ayurveda. This ancient Indian system of medicine views health and disease in a holistic way. For ACL injuries, Ayurveda doesn't merely target the symptoms, but digs deeper to address the root cause. This comprehensive approach includes dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and polyherbal treatments. Two prominent examples of these herbal combinations are Yograj guggulu and Ganda tail. Yograj guggulu, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, aids in reducing pain and inflammation. Ganda tail, on the other hand, promotes healing and strengthens the ligaments. With Ayurveda, the focus is on restoring balance and health, rather than just addressing the symptoms. It offers a holistic approach that includes diet, lifestyle changes, and herbal treatments. Interested in exploring the benefits of Ayurveda for ACL injuries and other health concerns? There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you at ayurvedaforall.co.uk and ayurvedaforall.com.here. You can delve deeper into Ayurvedic treatments and find the right Ayurvedic supplements for your needs. You can even consult online with Dr. Rajesh Nair, a renowned Ayurvedic practitioner, who will guide you on your journey towards holistic wellness. Discover the holistic, comprehensive approach of Ayurveda for yourself. Visit ayurvedaforall.co.uk and ayurvedaforall.com today.